Hello my dear students, welcome back to our channel and we are back with another video. So today we're going to start the next topic which is nature of bonding and properties. ठीक हो गया? So इसमें हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे बेसिकली आयनिक कंपाउंड्स को और कोवलेंट कंपाउंड्स और बेसिकली डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ बॉन्डिंग हम लोग कंपाउंड्स के अंदर डिस्कस करेंगे. Properties of the compound depends upon the nature of the bond present in them. Let us discuss the effect of nature of bonding on the properties of the compounds. So first of all we have ionic compounds. Ionic compounds आपको पता है कि सबसे ज़्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग होते हैं और इनमें ज़्यादा सबसे अच्छी बॉन्डिंग होती है ड्यू टू इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक फोर्सेज ऑफ अट्रैक्शन बिटवीन them. Ionic compounds are made up of positively and negatively charged ions, thus they consist of ions and not the molecules. These positively and negatively charged ions are held together in a solid or crystal form with strong electrostatic forces, attractive forces. The orderly arrangement of Na positive and Cl negative ions in a solid crystal of solid sodium chloride is shown in figure 4.3. तो यहाँ पे आप जो है ग्रीन कलर से आपको क्लोराइड आयन शो किया गया और ऑरेंज कलर से आपको सोडियम दिखाया हुआ है. So you can see the arrangement of NaCl in a solid crystal. So let us see the properties of the ionic compounds. The ionic compounds have the following properties. Ionic compounds are mostly crystalline solids. Ionic compounds in solid state have negligible electrical conductance, but they are good electrical conductors in solutions and in the molten form. ठीक हो गया? It is due to the presence of free ions in them. क्योंकि solid state में उनके free ions present नहीं होते, but liquid या molten state में they have the free ions. इस वजह से solid state में they cannot conduct electricity, but in liquid solution form they can. Ionic compounds have high melting point and boiling point. For example, sodium chloride has a melting point of 800 and a boiling point of 1413 degrees Celsius. As ionic compounds are made up of positive and negative ions, there exist strong attractive forces, strong electrostatic forces of attraction between the oppositely charged ions. So a great amount of energy is required to break these forces. They dissolve easily in polar solvents like water. Water has a high dielectric constant that weakens the attraction between the ions. So this was all about ionic compounds या ionic bonding. इसके बाद हमारे पास नेक्स्ट है कोवलेंट कंपाउंड्स. कोवलेंट कंपाउंड्स में हम लोग डिस्कस कर लेते हैं, इसको देख लेते हैं. The covalent compounds are made up of molecules that are formed by the mutual sharing of electrons between their atoms, which forms a covalent bond. A covalent bond is generally regarded as weaker than the ionic bond. Covalent compounds are made up of two or more non-metals, such as आप एग्जाम्पल में हमारे पास हाइड्रोजन है, मीथेन है, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड है, सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड है, उसके बाद हमारे पास ग्लूकोज है. Lower molecular mass covalent compounds are gases or low boiling point liquids. Contrary to it, higher molecular masses covalent compounds are solids. General properties are shown as follows. They have usually low melting point and boiling point, क्योंकि इनके forces of attraction weaker होती हैं comparatively to the ionic compound. इसी वजह से इनके जो boiling point है वो comparatively weaker होते हैं या less होते हैं. They are usually bad conductors of electricity. The compounds having polar characteristics in their bonding are conductors of electricity when they dissolve in the polar solvents. ठीक हो गया? They are usually insoluble in water but are soluble in non-aqueous solvents like benzene, ether, alcohol and acetone. Large molecules with 3D bonding या 3-dimensional bonding form covalent crystals which are very stable and hard. They have very high melting point and boiling points. Okay, ये हम लोग बात कर रहे हैं large molecules की, so you do not mix it up. Then we have polar and non-polar compounds. As we have already discussed earlier, the polarity in a chemical bond is due to the differences in the electronegativities of the bonding atoms. On the Pauling scale, fluorine has been given the electronegativity value of 4.0. The value for the other elements are calculated relatively to 8. Properties of non-polar and polar compounds differ to some extent. Non-polar covalent compounds usually do not dissolve in water, while the polar compounds usually dissolve in water. Similarly, non-polar compounds do not conduct electricity, but aqueous solution of polar compounds usually conduct electricity due to the formation of ions as a result of its reaction with water. So this was all about a little bit discussion हमने जो की है about nature of bonding and properties को हम लोगों ने ionic compounds की nature को और bonding को discuss किया है, properties को discuss किया थोड़ा सा, और then we have discussed about the covalent compounds. आई होप आप लोगों को आज का लेक्चर समझ में आया होगा. अगर आपको आज का लेक्चर समझ में आया है तो वीडियो को लाइक कर दीजिएगा और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिएगा. ऑल्सो प्रेस द बेल आइकन सो दैट यू में भी नोटिफिकेशन आप लोगों को मिलती रहे फ्यूचर वीडियोस के लिए. और इफ़ यू हैव एनी क्वेरीज यू कैन आस्क अस इन द कमेंट सेक्शन. टिल देन, टेक केयर, कीप वर्किंग हार्ड, कीप स्टडिंग. बाय बाय.